Here's a quick review on this LED ambient floor light. And this box here actually comes with two of them. You have to put it together and you can see the size of the box, but you get two of those. But really quickly, let me show you how to put this together because I had some issues in the beginning. So I'll give you a closer look now. You can see the buttons on here. You actually can download an app to control all of this, but I didn't do it. I'm perfectly fine just using it manually. But you got the power button here. You got a little music button here. If you press on that and you have music, like for instance, coming from your sound bar, something like that, when it hears the beat, it's going to move. And you have W here for just white light. If you just want like just like a regular night light. You have this over here. You can keep pressing that. See how that looks. There's the RGB here. Leave it on. Different colors here. So you can see. And I'll leave it on right there. And the same with that one. And let me go and turn the lights off so you can have a better idea. And you can see how that looks. Right there. Anyway. Yeah, pretty cool. And of course you got the same buttons on here as well. Oh, there you go.